Hey everybody, welcome to the User Fundamentals course. My name is Mike Zagare of PPC Entourage, and I am incredibly excited for you because the information inside of this course has unequivocally changed the quality of my life. Back in 2016, we used this exact information to go from 50K a month selling on Amazon to well over now 300K a month. And the Amazon sellers that we work with are experiencing great results just like that. So we broke it down into very simple, easy to consume parts inside of the User Fundamentals course. Very easy. We start basic and then we go forward from there. And once you get through this course, you're going to know exactly step by step what we did to scale our business to take it to the next level. So I am excited to share this information because it has unequivocally changed the quality of my life, and we are looking to help out as many people as possible. So go ahead, dive right into this information. If you have any questions whatsoever, definitely reach out to us. We are here to serve you, and we are here to help you out. I look forward to hearing your success, and specifically, I really look forward to hearing your success with Amazon-sponsored products and PPC Entourage. Take care.